Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker EDIFIER MP230 from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your speaker. And at the third line we have a button Disconnect. So you need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your speaker, you will stop Bluetooth connection with your speaker, but leave it at the device list, and then you can reconnect your speaker in the future, if your speaker do not connect it with another device and it turn on. And if you select to unpair, and so you click at the Forget this device button, you will totally remove your speaker from your phone. So if you need this, you need to click at the Another button. But let's disconnect it, so disconnect, and as I said, we have the speaker as a device list, but I stop Bluetooth connection with it, and I can easily reconnect this speaker. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!